back in May of 2020, I found this clock on eBay for $45. I thought it was a fair price, so I bought it, and I knew nothing about this clock. I had no idea who the maker was, where it came from. I just thought it looked cool. I have made one video on this clock before, and I was showing the strike on this clock, and it strikes on 3 chime rods, and it's the 2-note bim bam chime that's found on almost every clock from this time period. It's got like a higher pitched sound to it. I'll let you hear it. After I took the clock out of the box, I opened up the back door and I found no markings at all for any maker. No markings for any country. So I really did not know the maker of this, but I did do some looking on some forums and I had some people help me out. After a lot of looking, this clock was made by, I think this is how you say it, Kienzle Clock Company of Germany. And I think it was made between late 30s, early 40s. Back when this thing was new, this was a low-end clock, pretty cheap, inexpensive, but I just like the way it looks. I love the chrome on the front, and I also love the unique tiger stripes, which I've never seen painted on a clock before. The front of this clock, it's made to look like it has some fancy wood burl on it, but it's actually just like a small piece of Bakelite put over the unfinished wood on the front of the clock. It fooled me when I first bought it, and I did not know that the front was actually Bakelite until a couple of weeks after I bought the clock. It wasn't too difficult to repair. I could figure it out myself. I did not have to look up any videos. I would say I would not really recommend this if you're gonna repair something like this as your first clock, but it's definitely doable, and I did enjoy repairing it. The only reason this clock doesn't run is because I don't have the correct pendulum bob. It did come with one in the mail actually, but it does not fit and it's the wrong length. I'm looking for a new one still, haven't found one yet, and I'm actually thinking about making my own. As of right now, my plans for this clock is to get a new pendulum and make the Bakelite look a lot nicer. And then I'm probably going to sell this. I don't really have a use for it besides sitting around collecting dust. I already have plenty of clocks, so I'll probably be selling this one in the future. It'll probably stay in my collection for a little while longer. Thank you for watching. This is Actor Truman. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.